You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these two words, and we'll be looking at how to say more vocabulary in English that too many people get wrong, and also brand names that too many people get wrong. So stay tuned. Luxury, luxury, luxury. So it's not an X sound at all. It's not luxury, but luxury. Now, consequently, the bottom word is said luxurious. So you had a stress on the first syllable to luxury, and it's on the second syllable to luxurious, luxurious. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.